Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Solanki, and today in this video we'll be creating our own NFT. Now creating an NFT is very simple. You don't need any coding experience or anything of that sorts. You just have to go over to Rarible, create an account, create some PNG, JPG or GIF file that you want to convert it to an NFT, and then see it on the marketplace, trade in it, buy it, sell it, and make a lot of profit out of it. So let's do the three steps. Let's go over to rarible.com, and we can see all sorts of NFTs listed over here. We can see the top sellers in one day. There's a guy who has made 18 ETH in just one day, which is quite amazing. So let's go over connecting a wallet. So once you click over there, you will see all sorts of options. We'll go with MetaMask. So once you connect your MetaMask wallet, it show like this. You can see it's connected, Ethereum mainnet. Also, if you don't know how to set up your MetaMask wallet, you can check my previous video. I'll try to link it over there. Also, some of the people were asking me if they can do this on their mobile phone. Yes, you can absolutely do everything that I'm doing right now on your mobile phone. Just download the MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet you have, and search rarible.com in its browser. Don't use Google Chrome or any other browser for it. Try to search it up in the wallet's browser. So yeah, once we have that, we'll create our own NFT. Now creating an NFT has these two options. One is having just a single file, and the second is having multiple copies for it. So let's create a single, start from scratch, single collectible. And in order to do so, we'll have to upload a PNG, GIF or MP4, MP3 file. So let's just do that. Let's go over to Canva and create our own JPG or PNG file. So as you can see, there is this create a design part. I use this a lot actually for my YouTube thumbnails, but yeah, let's go over here and select Instagram post, because this is the dimensions that we want, 1080 into 1080. So yeah, once we have that selected, let's go over to elements. And okay, I already have one, but in order to do so, you will search for gradient. Okay, once you do that, you will see this gradient. Just put it up, and let me just set it as the background for this image. Okay, so it's done, it's set as the background. Once you do that, let's select some other elements. Maybe this looks good, and this also looks good. Actually no, I'll put Ethereum. Ethereum. This looks good. Yeah, so let's just put this in the middle, and there you go. You've created your own PNG or JPG file, which we'll be converting to an NFT. Now this PNG file can be converted to a GIF, MP4, whatever you want to download. I'll download it as PNG. Once it's downloaded, it's wrong, ETH NFT Rarible. Okay, so once it's downloaded, you can go over here and choose your file that you need to convert as an NFT. So let's just choose our file, ETH NFT. We've selected it. So once you've done that, you can choose for selecting fixed price, timed auction or unlimited auction. We'll go with fixed price. Enter price for one piece, we'll put it as 1.5 ETH, and Rarible and title. So the title for this would be the ETH glow. I don't know. I've just kept a random name. Description, if you want to put some descriptions for it. And then we have royalties. So what are royalties? Royalties is basically every time your NFT gets sold, you will get this much percentage of the selling amount to your wallet. So say for example I wanna have this sold as many times as possible, so I'll keep it low, and if I keep it high, this won't get sold so often. So let's keep it at 5. So basically I'll be earning 5% for every time this NFT is sold. So properties, we can keep some properties. Let's keep logo as a property. So logo is ETH, and type is glow. I don't know why I'm keeping all of these properties, but it's optional. You don't have to keep it. So once we've done that, we'll create our item and actually list it as an NFT. So let's create it, and you'll see 3 transactions. So first is approve, then there's mint and set fixed price. So as you can see, there's the gas fees that I'll have to pay. I currently don't have ETH, or else I'd have done this. So please transfer some ETH to my main account so that I can create these things on the main network itself. So yeah, this will be the approved, there'll be mint, and there'll be set fixed price. You'll have to pay gas fees 3 times. So once you do that, you will see your token listed right on your account. So if you go over to my items, it'll be listed over here in the collectibles and in the created part. So let's just look at other NFT artists and how you can buy those NFTs. So if you go over to any NFT artist and see it's created, you can see these not for sale. This is not for sale, but this is for sale. This is for 1 ETH. You can see 1 ETH. You can literally just buy it out and proceed with payment. Once you do that, you will have a dialog box that will approve and purchase that NFT right in your wallet. So if you do this, you will see this NFT right in your wallet. You can also see the history behind it. You can see the owners for it, and the bids as well. So right now there's a bid which is 0.002 WETH. So this is how the NFT marketplace works. And if you want to market your NFT, you can join Twitter or maybe Telegram, form a group on Telegram, and just promote your NFT through there. So if you like this video, then do press the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for more such content.